Benefits of hibiscus in hair care. Hibiscus is a remedy for promoting hair growth. Hibiscus can also help stop hair loss, make your hair look healthy, prevent premature graying, thicken hair and add volume, help treat dandruff, reduce dryness and breakage, prevent split ends. How to use hibiscus for your hair. Hibiscus oil for your hair growth. Hibiscus oil helps rejuvenate the scalp and promotes hair growth. Coconut oil promotes hair growth. By reducing protein loss and moisturize your hair, the oil massage also helps improve blood circulation and increases hair thickness. You will need 7 hibiscus flowers, 7 hibiscus leaves, 1 cup of coconut oil. Procedures: wash both hibiscus flowers and leaves, blend them until it is as smooth as a paste. Heat up 1 cup of coconut oil in a saucepan and add the hibiscus paste to it. Heat up the mixture for some minutes, turn off the heat and set the pan aside for the oil to cool. Once the oil is cooled, massage the oil into your scalp with your fingertips down to the tips of your hair. Once all your hair is covered, massage your scalp for an additional 10 minutes. Leave the oil on your hair for 30 minutes. Wash it out with a mild shampoo. Hibiscus and yogurt hair masks for strong hair. This hair mask helps soften and straighten your hair. It also makes your hair healthy and nourishes your hair. You will need 1 hibiscus flower, 3 to 4 hibiscus leaves, 4 tablespoons yogurt. Procedures: blend the hibiscus flower as well as the leaves into a paste. Mix the yogurt to the paste until you get a smooth consistency. Apply this hair mask to your scalp and leave it on for about an hour. Wash the marks out of your hair with a lukewarm water and shampoo. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you guys on my next video. Bye.